Hi everyone, welcome to our today's video on one of most popular trends in weight loss, that is, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is currently one of the world's most popular health and fitness trends. People are using it to lose weight, improve their health, and simplify their lifestyles. In this video, we will tell you what exactly is intermittent fasting, its benefits, fasting methods, and how you can implement in your daily life. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is basically an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It doesn't specify which foods you should eat, but rather, when you should eat them. In this respect, it's not a diet in the conventional sense, but, more accurately described as an eating pattern. Why is this so popular? Many studies have been done on intermittent fasting, in both animals and humans. These studies have shown that it can have powerful benefits for mainly weight control and the health of your body and brain. Since scientific data supports in many beneficial ways, intermittent fasting has become a popular trend in weight loss in recent times. How does intermittent fasting affect your body cells and hormones? When you fast, several things happen in your body on the cellular and molecular level. 1. The levels of growth hormone skyrocket, increasing as much as 5-fold. This has benefits in fat loss and muscle gain. 2. Insulin sensitivity improves and levels of insulin drop dramatically. 3. The cells initiate cellular repair processes. 4. There are changes in the function of genes related to longevity and protection against disease. These changes in hormone levels, cell function, and gene expression are responsible for the health benefits of intermittent fasting. So, let us see what are the health benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight and belly fat, without having to consciously restricting calories. 2. Insulin resistance. Intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance, lowering blood sugar by 3 to 6% and fasting insulin levels by 20 to 31%, which should protect against type 2 diabetes. 3. Chronic diseases. Some studies show intermittent fasting helps in reduction in markers of inflammation, a key driver of many chronic diseases. 4. Heart health. Intermittent fasting may reduce bad LDL cholesterol, blood triglycerides, inflammatory markers, blood sugar and insulin resistance, all are which the major risk factors for heart disease. 5. Cancer. Animal studies suggest that intermittent fasting may prevent cancer. 6. Brain health and Alzheimer's disease. Intermittent fasting increases the brain hormone BDNF and may aid the growth of new nerve cells. It may also protect against Alzheimer's disease. 7. Anti-aging. Intermittent fasting can extend lifespan in rats. Studies showed that fasted rats lived 36 to 83% longer. What are the methods of intermittent fasting? There are several different ways of doing intermittent fasting, all of which involve splitting the day or week into eating and fasting periods. During the fasting periods, you eat either very little or nothing at all. The most popular methods are described here. 1. Fast for 12 hours a day. In this method, a person needs to decide on and adhere to a 12-hour fasting window every day. This type of intermittent fasting plan may be a good option for beginners. 2. The 16/8 method. Also called the Lean Gains Protocol, it involves skipping breakfast and restricting your daily eating period to 8 hours, such as 1 to 9 p.m. then you fast for 16 hours in between. 3. Eat Stop Eat. This involves fasting for 24 hours, once or twice a week, for example by not eating from dinner one day until dinner the next day. 4. The 5-to-2 diet. With this method, you consume only 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days of the week, but eat normally the other 5 days. 5. Alternate day fasting. This is another way which involves fasting every other day. Alternate day fasting is an extreme form of intermittent fasting, and it may not be suitable for beginners, or those with certain medical conditions. Many people find the 16/8 method to be the simplest, most sustainable and easiest to stick to. It's also the most popular. Does intermittent fasting really help in weight loss? Weight loss is the most common reason for people to try intermittent fasting. Studies show that intermittent fasting can be a very powerful weight loss tool. A 2014 review study found that this eating pattern can cause 3 to 8% weight loss over 3 to 24 weeks, which is a significant amount, compared to most weight loss studies. According to the same study, people also lost 4 to 7% of their waist circumference, indicating a significant loss of harmful belly fat that builds up around your organs and causes disease. Should you try it? Intermittent fasting is not something that anyone needs to do. It's simply one of many lifestyle strategies that can improve your health. Eating real food, exercising, and taking care of your sleep are still the most important factors to focus on. Intermittent fasting is great for some people, not others. The only way to find out which group you belong to is to try it out. If you feel good when fasting, and find it to be a sustainable way of eating, it can be a very powerful tool to lose weight and improve your health. Are you going to implement it? Or, if you have already implemented it, tell us in our comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe our channel for more health content. I wish you great health and happiness. Thank you.